AI Native is a company that's adopting AI in its development practices, its infrastructure practices, its data management practices as like an ethos for how its employees work day in and day out. Why now and why Abnormal specifically is because Abnormal is uniquely positioned the way they started as a behavioral company. AI and identity and behavior coming together. This creates probably the largest risk for CISOs in the world today, but it also brings a lot of opportunity to build new and interesting products and reinvent the way people look at cybersecurity. Abnormal AI is working like it's already the year 2028. Other companies are going to be catching up to work the way that this company is working today. I feel challenged. I feel I'm working with a lot of high-performing people who have adopted an AI native ethos and are just looking to build amazing things. And that's wonderful to be a part of.